are you this afternoon?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, I want to ask you some question. Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school at elementary school.
Okay, what class are you in?
I am a student.
What time do you usually go to school?
I go to school at 6:30 o'clock.
Okay, with whom do you go to school?
I go to school with my friend.
Yeah. How do you go to school?
I go to school on foot.
What time do you arrive at school?
I arrive school at 7 o'clock.
What time do you start to study?
I start study at 7:20 o'clock.
Okay. What subject do you like best?
I like English.
Okay. How many students at your classroom?
Class
It's about-
20 student.
Okay. Do you like study?
Yes, o'clock.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Why do you like study?
Because I want to be perfect.
Okay, thank you.